Welcome to 120 Tunba Court in Cooroy Mountain, a stunning 40-acre estate that epitomizes the pinnacle of resort-style living and entertaining. Set atop an exclusive mountain peak with sweeping views stretching from the lush hinterland to the coral sea, this award-winning property offers unrivaled luxury and privacy. Beyond automated gates, a tree-lined driveway leads you to the magnificent 6-bedroom residence. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this palatial home blends modern elegance with traditional craftsmanship. Stone walls, water features, and 100-year-old wharf timbers greet you as you enter, setting the tone for what's to come. Inside, imported Italian marble tiles and floor-to-ceiling glass windows capture breathtaking panoramas from every room. Designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living, the home features multiple entertaining zones, including a state-of-the-art 12-seater cinema that opens to a sophisticated billiards room, several tranquil courtyards, along with a sweeping northeastern terrace, overlook the infinity-edge saltwater pool, offering the perfect setting for both intimate gatherings and grand celebrations. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with Gaggenau appliances, a steam oven, Italian tapware, and expansive stone bench tops. It adjoins an enormous butler's pantry with ample storage, and entire walls of glass connect the living spaces to the outdoor entertaining area, making it an entertainer's paradise. The master suite is a sanctuary, with commanding views, a lavish marble ensuite, walk-in robes, and a private balcony. There are 5 additional guest suites, each with ensuite bathrooms, while the curved guest room features a secluded stone-walled courtyard. For those who work from home, a dedicated office is located in the bedroom wing. Every detail of this estate has been considered for comfort and convenience, with additional amenities such as a wine cellar, gym room, and even a cozy fire pit. This exceptional estate also includes a second 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom residence, ideal for guests or staff. Located just a short drive from the Sunshine Coast Airport, Noosa's renowned restaurants and shopping, this property offers both ultimate privacy and easy access to world-class amenities. 120 Tunba Court is previously winner of Australia's House of the Year and multiple national design awards, showcasing the highest standards of luxury, innovation, and style. It's a true mountaintop retreat, offering an unparalleled lifestyle of exclusivity, serenity, and magnificence.